My name is Grace McKendry and I'm one of the K-12 reps over here at Bretford supporting the Midwest. Today we're going to be talking about our brand new Caddy line. We're bringing out the best technology basket on the market where we saw a need. We're also going to be talking about how our new caddies work with our cube transport and cube top loader that we've made specifically for our new Caddy line. Why did we create this Caddy line? So we saw a big opportunity in the market there were some solutions out there, but we didn't really feel they were fulfilling the full need in K-12. So a great thing about technology baskets is they save time with deployment, especially in the K-12 environment, with regards to being able to continue teaching while passing out devices, maybe only deploying some devices versus opening an entire cart. We also saw a need for more safety with regard to how carts open and close, as well as the safety of the devices and even germs and things like that with baskets. We also found a need for better durability. We need a higher quality product, and Bretford's been manufacturing here in the USA for over 70 years, and we wanted to carry our type of quality into the technology basket market. Our Bretford Caddy we made with our partner Higher Ground. They're a leading manufacturer in the school technology field. As you're going to see, it holds up to 5 13-inch devices and has an ergonomic handle for ease of use, and it swings to prevent any loss of device. Each of these dividers are padded, which not only makes the device fit more snugly in the pocket, but also protects from any damage. The cases on the devices can be up to 1 1/4 inches in width, and we also provided a card in the front so that you can add whether it's what students will be using it, what card it goes to, which devices, and all of those things. Another great thing about our device baskets, our caddies, is their hydrophobic fabric, which prevents damage to devices, especially if you have a perforated bottom, which can cause liquids to get in, but also for easy cleanup and preventing bacteria and germs. So our cube transport is our most popular open cart. It does up to 30 devices at 45 watts per device. We've seen a lot, especially with media specialists, librarians, they love it because it's open, they can move around, and they like to be able to just get quick access. As you can see, we have 6 caddies in here, and we have rubber stops right at the end so that when you pick up your devices, it swings. So you're not going to have any spills or anything like that. It features our Cable Boss cable management system. So you're going to see the cabling up front here. You can do up to 30 right down there. Easy access, easy to cable up, as well as easy to remove if you're going to have an ebb and flow of devices. So the cables then go into our signature Cable Boss system, and you're going to adjust them to the width of your devices from there. It's one of the most lightweight carts. It also, having an open design, allows for quicker deployment, but also if you don't need the security of doors, then a transport's a perfect option. A lot of classrooms are locked during the night, or sometimes we see carts put in a server closet or another secured area, so the door just isn't necessary, and this makes it faster and easier to get into. Our cube top loader is much closer to a lot of other competitors we saw on the market. So the biggest part about this top loader for us was we wanted to be safer. So with that, we did our hydraulic arms for a smooth close. So not only with closing it, you're not gonna have much of a slam, but also quick moving it up. Also, we saw with other products on the market that there are a lot of hinges the little fingers can get caught in, as well as on the side. And as you know, with distributing devices, there's a lot of chaos a lot of the time. And we wanna be as safe as possible, especially in the classroom. So with these hydraulic arms, as well as the rubber tips we put on the corners, as well as these rounded corners, no danger of little hands getting pinched. And with this cart, because there is a cycle timer, you can have up to an 80-watt device for each of the individual slots. So it limits you not to just tablets and Chromebooks, but also some Windows devices, up to 13 inches and 1 1/4 inches per device. If you see inside here, you have, again, you would have 6 caddies, and to get to the cabling, just undo this thumb screw right here and pull it out. Remove this piece, and there's a panel in the bottom that then lifts up. From that bottom panel, you pull your cables up into our signature Cable Boss cabling system. And then once you have those up, just slide the panel back in and put in the thumb screw. From there, you can adjust all the cables specifically for your devices. There's no excess and it's easy to use. What is the warranty on the caddies? All of our carts and products carry a 7-year, no nonsense, no questions warranty. So that means the electrical, it means the casters, it means the body. A lot of times we see, oh, well, it's 7 on 1 and 1 year on this, or exceptions. Our caddies are no exception to it. 7 years, no matter what, you have no concerns. And one of the great things about Bretford being here in the USA, and especially being based in Franklin Park, Illinois, is that you have the service of our awesome customer experience team who will take care of you with any of those needs. But again, 7 years on the caddies, just like the carts. How much does the caddy weigh? So our caddies, despite being a much more durable product than a lot of what's on the market and having a better handle, is still the same weight as the standard technology baskets you see out there at 1.6 pounds. So it's still going to be easy to carry, it's going to be light, whether it's a teacher or a student using it. Another question. So how does the caddy itself save time? When it comes to deploying devices, a lot of times curriculum time can be lost when distributing those devices, whether it's crouching down at a cart or preventing even like keeping your hands off, no pinches. With the device caddies, you can pass them out either to students, teachers' aides, or yourself and continue teaching and doing curriculum while carrying the devices. Hot question, when will these carts ship? So, an advantage about being an American manufacturer, as we all know, things getting delayed in the supply chain, we aren't waiting on a boat to come in. So, we can start shipping product beginning the 2nd week of November, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Again, you can put your orders in right now, but we will start to ship our caddy line the 2nd week of November. If you would like to learn more about our caddy line, please feel free to scan the QR code on the screen, and you can learn about ordering today, as well as reach out to your Bretford reseller rep or your Bretford rep directly. We're more than happy to direct you and get your order in. And again, Bretford.com. Thanks so much.